A couple of hours ago, I had a shop incident, an accident, which led to this. I had a run-in with this. It looks a lot better now. When it happened, it was so quick. I thought my front teeth were knocked out. I thought my nose was broken. I had so much blood, I wasn't sure if I was going to need stitches. I didn't make any sound. I just kind of stood back, and then my wife was not too far away, but she was turned the other way, and I stumbled over and she turned around, and from the look on her face, I knew that I wasn't looking that good. I've got this small cut there. My nose is a little sore, but I didn't break it. And my front two teeth are sore, but they're not loose. I get a second chance. This could have been a lot worse. When it happened, if my head would have not been able to fly backwards and absorb most of it, if I would have been up against something, I definitely would have a broken nose and lost a teeth. Had that happen, just the two front teeth, if you've had any dental work done, a couple of implants in that whole thing, they would have been about $4 to $6 grand each. And then the stitches, of course, and then if I had a broken nose, whatever that would take. Could have been a very expensive accident. I'll tell you exactly how it happened. I'm taking the smart wood shop somewhere else, and I needed to hook it up to the truck. Got it all lined up, and I dropped the trailer down on the hitch using this, because I've got that trailer valet lift or foot that works really great. I love it. I stick this on there, and it'll just drop it down or lift it up without me having to crank. So I was going with it, and we had dropped down on the ball, and I was just going to take the foot all the way up, and I wanted to stop it short of it, just a little short. And so I'm going like that, like that, and I wanted to see where the foot was, how far I had to go. And I looked over like that, and I was further than I thought, and it hit that hard stop. Of course, that instantly stopped this, and it just went bam. And this little round circle you see there, that little circular screw there is what hit me. That's what caused that damage. It was bam. Like, I could have prevented this. I had the drill set up. I haven't changed anything. It's in the drill mode, and it's in 1. And I could have clutched it, gone away from the screw, and had it clutched so that once it hit, it went, eh. I had it on the slow, high torque speed, so I'm not sure which would have been best for that. Maybe you can let me know in the comments, but definitely put the clutch on, and that would have at least given me more of a second chance. Like I said, I got a second chance anyway. This is costing nothing but a little pain. So I'm very fortunate. But when it happened, I wasn't so sure. When you see this in the videos, if you ask, hey, what happened to your lip? I'm going to point to this video, because the Smart Woodshop fan will know what happened. But the main reason I wanted to make this video is to emphasize shop safety, tool safety. When you're using tools, they are powerful, they're fast. And when an incident, an accident happens, you don't have time to get out of the way. So you need to use your tools appropriately and be conscious of the potential. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a little chuckle out of Ron getting punched in the face. And I hope that my minor incident and my ability to get a second chance, but tell you about it, will just focus you a little bit on your safety and pay attention to those tools. No matter how long you've been doing it, when it happens, it's so fast, you don't even get a chance to think about it. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop.